here with Half Dozen Customs. We're out here in the shop this evening. Valentine's Day was a couple days ago, and Colleen got me some stuff for Valentine's Day. She got me this stuff to put my WEN air filtration system up, so this is going to be a later project, but we will be doing this soon. I've been wanting to put it up, so but she got me this little heater. This runs on propane. It's a little mini Craftsman, where I'm from, out in the Chicagoland area, we call them torpedo heaters. Out here in Indiana, they call them salamanders. So she got me this. It's 60,000 BTU. It runs on propane. From the research that she did, a 20-pound propane tank, which is like what you would use on your grill, will last 14 hours on this. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. My big heater that I have up in the corner that we would run on a 100-pound tank, so like 5 of the little grill guys, I get about 20 hours out of that. So on this little guy, what did we figured out? We would get 70 hours out of it, roughly, right around there. So if we get the 100-pound tank filled and hooked it up to this, you know, we should get like 70 hours out of it. And that's good compared to the 20 hours that I get up there. And it says that it does 1,500 square feet, which is, I think it's almost exact. Like I'm like 1,560, something like that. So, so we're gonna open this up. We're gonna unbox it. I got a brand new tank over there that we're gonna hook up to it, and see how it does. So, Colleen grabbed it and thought that I could use it maybe over on the Monte Carlo side. You know, we could also, it's an easy one to move over to her garage as well when we're out there working on her garage. Right now I carry my canister heater, this guy here. I carry that back and forth from her garage to my shop. And that one heats up her garage just fine. But like if I gotta fill it, I gotta take it outside to fill it. I gotta start it up outside, because if I spill any kerosene, she can smell it. She don't like the smell of it. An initial startup, you can smell it, but once it's up and going, it's fine. But this one should be clean, and we shouldn't have to worry about any smells coming from it. So it should be a nice little addition to the shop. You know, this is one too, like, you know, want to sit outside on the picnic bench, and it's a little chilly out. If it's not too loud, you know, maybe it's something that we could set out by us and help heat up our little picnic bench and tent area. But that all depends on if it's loud, because nobody wants to sit outside at a picnic bench and listen to something making a bunch of noise. If that's the case, a little canister heater, kerosene canister heater would work well for that, because it don't make no noise. guess these are on sale right now, or were on sale. I don't know if they still are, at Farm and Fleet. It? Is it taped inside of something here? Huh. Well, I'm missing something here, am I? To me, like hardware for this is missing. You know, it was an unopened box, but there was a rip in it that was taped up. Oh well, I'm sure I got something. Wasn't too bad. Reverse thread. One down here is regular thread. Help if I turn this on. It's not bad. Alright, it's a nifty little heater, and it's a lot quieter than I expected. You know, I think it would still be too much noise for the background if I was trying to talk to you guys. That's why I shut it off. But this one, I believe that I could at least talk to you guys over if I wanted to. Especially if it's sitting, you know, over on the other side of the shop. You know, my big one that I have here, which is actually my buddy that owns the Jeep, that's his. And that thing, you know, that thing works great, but it's super loud. So I can't do any recording while that's on, or at least no talking while I'm recording. And you know, that guy runs on kerosene, and you know, if I'm out here for 40 hours, you know, I'll go through 10 gallons using that guy. So normally I do, you know, I do about 20 hours a week out here, and you know, I go through about 5 gallons. So that's where I come up with the 40 hours, 10 gallons. And that depends on how cold it is out here too. Right now, you know, I think it's like 18 degrees outside, and it's windy out. With the wind chill, it's 10. So, you know, it's pretty cold out. So that guy will run, you know, while I'm out here working. But now this guy, you know, I think maybe we can go, you know, stick him in a corner somewhere, and he can run as well. So, yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Colleen. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I don't know when this video will be put out, but like I said, Valentine's Day was just a couple days ago. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, Farm and Fleet, they're normally $79, and then they were on sale. And then Colleen was not a member, so she joined their membership club or whatever and got like another 10% off. And I think she got it for $40. So with their sale ad, and then plus the 10% off from becoming a member, was 40 bucks. So for 40 bucks, you can't beat it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.